check out. To examine or investigate, to leave a place. I need to check out the new book at the library. / will check out of the hotel tomorrow morning. Come along. To accompany or make progress. Are you coming along to the party tonight? Come back. To return. She promised to come back later and finish the conversation. Come over. To visit someone's place. Why don't you come over to my house for a movie night? Eat out. To dine at a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight. I don't feel like cooking. Get away. To escape or take a break. We're planning to get away for a weekend at the beach. Get by. To manage or survive. Even though times are tough, we somehow manage to get by. Get off. To exit or remove from. Please wait until the bus comes to a complete stop before you get off. Get on. To board or have a good relationship. He's very friendly. He gets on well with everyone. Let down. To disappoint. Her actions really let me down. I trusted her. Look for. To search or seek. I need to look for my keys. I can't find them anywhere. Look forward to. To anticipate with pleasure. I look forward to our family vacation every year. Put up with. To tolerate or endure. I can't put up with the constant noise from the construction site. Run into. To encounter unexpectedly. Guess who I ran into at the grocery store today? Show up. To appear or arrive. I hope she shows up to the party. She's been invited. Stand out. To be noticeable or distinct. His colorful outfit really stands out in the crowd. Take after. To resemble or inherit traits from. She takes after her mother. They have similar personalities. Talk into. To persuade someone. He managed to talk her into joining the hiking trip. Tell apart. To distinguish between similar things. It's difficult to tell the twins apart, they look so alike. Think over. To consider carefully. Take your time and think it over before making a decision. Throw away. To discard or get rid of. I need to throw away these old magazines, they're taking up space. Try on. To test the fit or appearance of clothing. I'll need to try on these jeans before buying them. Walk out. To leave suddenly, often as a protest. The employees walked out of the meeting in protest. Act up. To misbehave or malfunction. My computer is acting up again, it keeps freezing. Burn down. To completely destroy by fire. The old house sadly burned down last night. Check over. To examine or review. Can you please check over my essay for any errors? Come about. To happen or occur. I'm not sure how it came about, but we won the lottery. Cut back on. To reduce or decrease. I'm trying to cut back on my sugar intake for better health. Do over. To redo or repeat. The painting didn't turn out well, I'll have to do it over. Fall for. To be deceived or fooled by. She fell for the scam and lost a significant amount of money. Go along with. To agree or comply with. I'll go along with your plan if it's reasonable. Go out with. To date or have a romantic relationship. She's been going out with him for a few months now. Let in. To allow entry. Can you please let me in? I forgot my keys. Look down on. To view with disdain or superiority. He tends to look down on people who have different opinions. Look up to. To admire or respect. I've always looked up to my older sister for her achievements. Pay back. To repay money or a favor. I'll pay you back for the lunch you treated me to. Put out. To extinguish or inconvenience. Can you help me put out the fire in the backyard? His constant complaining really puts me out. Run out of. To deplete or exhaust a supply. We've run out of milk, we need to buy more. Take up. To start a hobby or occupy space. She decided to take up painting as a creative outlet. Tear up. To rip into pieces. He angrily tore up the letter he received. Think up. To invent or devise. She's so creative, she can always think up new game ideas. Turn off. To switch off or disgust. Please remember to turn off the lights when you leave. The violent scenes in the movie really turned me off. Wind up. To conclude or finish. We should wind up this meeting and make a decision.